Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this that I thought was pretty cool. And then I really like it when somebody tries to do something with it. So they created this off my drawing. I think it's pretty dead on or off my instruction. But what they're trying to do is make this, and I've already done it. And in this case, if you want a dot on the end, you'd have to put a dot on the end, but we're not going to worry about that because he's got a dot on one end. So what he did, and he told me what he did, and it makes sense. I'm going to hold down the control button and then hold down the control button and make an arch. And then I'm going to control D and flip it the other way. Well, come on. And then I'm going to grab that node right there and put it right there. Let me get this out of the way. Then he control D or hit the plus key on the keyboard, and he did that right there. Well, what he did next, he welded it. That normally should work. But when he takes this, and I've already had to put it into my system, I made an artistic media brush out of this. When he puts it on the line, and then, like I always say, you have to change it size-wise, there's gaps. There's spaces. Well, what it is, and it's an age-old problem, it's welded, but these are two different points. They're welded together, but they're really not. So all he has to do is take this, select them, go up to Windows, Dockers, and join curves, and then hit apply. And then if we look at it in the shape tool, we have a start and a stop. Now we're going to, and this might be too long for the one I made, artistic media tool. It'll always be on the last brush you used. And then for some reason, you got to go up and down and look at that. Now, like I said at the first, if you wanted it to start with a circle or non-circle, you have to put that circle in there. But there's a lot of things you could do with this. So I'm going to right-click a fill, left-click no outline, so it'll look killer. And this would be a really good model. And I dress these things up mainly for the video icon, just in case you can't do it because it's too many items selected. We could try a couple different things, break the artistic media apart and take that out of the way. And now let's see if this works. It might not work in this case because it worked. I think it was just because that artistic media line, your pre-line was there. And it's taking a lot of work because it's doing a lot. And always you take a black box effect. Anyway, so I love it when people show me that they've taken my video and tried to create it. And he did a great job. And just by fact, I helped somebody do something the other day, and they sent me the finished product on a plasma cutter, and he did a really good job. Anyway, so welding doesn't really work with lines. You could maybe convert those lines to a object and then weld them, but it's so easy just to do that. Anyway, a little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.